guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can save videos on CapCut PC. So you're just going to select your project. I'm just going to delete this real quick from the previous one. So CapCut actually just automatically saves your project, but if you want to change your save file, just go back to home page and you're just going to basically select the settings tab here, go to settings, and then select the folder you want the file to be saved in, and it's going to be automatically saved, as you can see. But to just export it, select the export button here, select rename your video, and just select export to. This is where your folder, like your file, will be exported to, sorry. And then just hit the export button. But again, CapCut saves it automatically, so you don't need to worry at all about losing files because it automatically saves it. That is pretty much it though. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!